in every leagues, in every countries, if you can see the Premier League in England, Manchester City, Arsenal, they're fighting. I think it's the same fight that we see in the PSL. It creates a lot of interest for the fans, for South African fans. It's not funny when you when 10 games before the end of the season, you see the team is winning, so the title. So for you as a fan, if you know at the beginning of the season who is going to be champion, you lose the interest. So this season we try to bring more competitiveness. I think the boys really did well. Let's see what will be the result at the end of the season. But the most important is to give this competitiveness to the PSL until the end. And I think it was really a good test today for us, because you don't know what will happen in the next few matches against the rival. So for us, the dream is still here. The players are going to fight.